Hey guys, welcome back. It's Pierre, Simple Home Brew. Just thought I might give you a bit of a heads up what's going on with the channel. You guys are great support. It's been awesome. If you like what you see, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like what you're watching. I'm just here to talk to you about what I've been doing, where I've been going with my channel, and give you a bit of a heads up on what's happening in the future. What I'm doing basically is changing a few things up. I'm going to do my tasting videos abroad or outside of my brew shed from now on. So it means I'm going to go outside into strange and different places and share my thoughts on the beers I taste, which is something that most of you have already seen a couple of videos of me doing that, and it's going to be continuous, so I'm going to do that more often. The other things I'm going to do is I've decided that I'm going to just live stream any all grain brews that I do. So basically if I do an all grain, it's going to be fully live streamed, and I'm not going to make a video out of it because they just don't perform well on YouTube. Most of you watch this channel as progressive as you are. Most of you watch this channel just for the extracts. So mainly I've got these old extracts that I haven't done yet, which I still think I can do. I could still use them. I really don't know. I'll have to do some research and ask a few professionals what chemicals are in there from the age they are. They're more than 10 years old, so that's a bit of a challenge that I might be able to do in the future. And all my extract brews are going to be posted online. I'm going to do a proper edited video on them and tastings of these brews. On saying that, I've got a beer. Oh, what do I do with it? I'll be back. I've got to bike down here. It's a bit, I'm doing training, so I'm trying to lose a bit of weight and get rid of a bit of fat that comes from this stuff. By the way, this is the Cooper's. This is basically a Cooper's Pale Ale, Australian Pale Ale, with Morgan's Caramalt, which I thought would come out okay. And I chucked in 100 grams of Mosaic at about 5 days of fermentation to cloud it up a bit, to get that cloudiness and that craft beer flavour. A lot of you said, or a few of you said, it's not going to taste great. It's going to be... Well, this is it. As you can see, it's got a nice cloudiness to it. Nice, beautiful cloudiness to it. It's just perfectly carbonated at the moment. The smell... You know, I'm not getting that extract smell that I normally get. When I first fermented this and put it into a keg, I went to sip it and I tasted the foam and everything else, and the foam was salty. Now, I found that Morgan seems to be more salty than Cooper's. So, what are you going to do? This has a beautiful aroma of Mosaic with a malty flavour, a malty scent. Look, I can smell all kinds of things in there. My sense of smell's back. Of course, some of you know I've had COVID and I've been knocked off on my butt for a while. That's why I haven't done many videos. And I haven't done any brewing. I've done nothing in 3 weeks. I haven't brewed anything in 3 weeks. It's been quite some time. I need to get back into it. So I'm getting a bit of peach, some pineapple, and a little bit of apple as well, which is strange. You shouldn't get apple, but it's probably the brewing process that causes that through the yeast that I used, which was, I can't remember what the yeast was now, but it was a nail yeast. So it looks great. It smells exceptional. It doesn't smell like an extract. I brewed it with tap water, which had a half a Camden tablet in it. I didn't put a whole Camden tablet in it, and it seems to help with the chlorine and chloramine, which is great. And it smells so good. It smells clean. I could bottle this, send it to a heap of people and ask their opinion and see what they say. But I reckon I'll say it's a nice beer. The carbonation is just perfect. Again, citrusy. Oh, I'm getting a bit of little bit of smoke flavour. I don't know if that's meant to be in there, but it's a little bit smoky. Just tasty. But no, I wouldn't say smoke. I can't pinpoint that one. But this, again, I might be biased. It's my own beer. This is, it's exceptional. It's a beautiful beer that I can down very quickly, I'll tell you. It fermented down to 14, 10,014, and you can taste that. It's it got a little bit of a sweetness to it. It's 4%, and it's got a nice bitterness too. At the start, it was more bitter. Basically, it had hop bittering in it, so the hops settled down a little bit over time. It has been sitting in the keg for about a month, and it's really settled in as a nice, very tasty beer. Guys, just follow this recipe. Chuck it in. Do what you can. I believe I put in another hop. I did. I put in an older hop that was just there. I didn't know what it was. There's no label on the packet. Don't know what it was, but it has added to the flavour. Don't know how much. If I'm going to put 100 grams of Mosaic in. Mosaic is very dominating as a hop anyway. But it's really, really good. I recommend this as a summer drink. Leading into like a barbecue. It'll probably work perfectly with a barbie. Sit down, relax on your chair. Have about 3 or 4 of these with your mates and just enjoy. It's really nice. Won't get you blind drunk really quick. It is tasty, well worth drinking, and it's really nice. It's a good beer. I will keep this recipe. I'm going to do it again because I like it. It's good. It's very, very tasty and well worth trying again. Again, I will leave the link up here for the actual recipe and the brewing of this product. And it should have the recipe in there for all the products. And I'll actually post the recipe down the bottom in the links down here if you'd like to. If you have any questions, please go ahead. Give me some questions online. I am not a professional, as you all can tell. I don't do this for a living, that's for sure. I just like brewing and I love tasting the results. Alright, so the other things I need to talk to you about too on this is... a lot of you aren't going to watch this because it's a tasting video. Tasting videos don't go well. The more loyal people out there who like my channel like to see what I come up with. And it's great to have that. It's really, really good. And you guys are going to benefit out of this. Basically, I'm changing up what I'm doing in my channel. I'm going to stop all grain beers, all grain brewing now. Because unfortunately, they're not popular. I'll get 300 to 400 views in 2 months. It doesn't actually, most of my home all grains haven't gone past 400 views, so it's just how it is in all the time I've been brewing. So it's not popular, mainly because I'm an amateur at brewing anyway, and I think a lot of professionals out there just go, nah, I'm not going to watch this, and that's how it works. So with the extract brewing though, I am going to do a lot more videos on extract brewing. We're going to do some more live streams. So basically I'm going to live stream my all grain beers. So if you guys want to tag along, it's a 4 or 5 hour process and the live stream will go 4 or 5 hours. And I have it set up so that you'll see the beer going and me talking, and I can talk to you guys as well, hopefully. And also extract brewing is going to be a much more dominant in this channel from now on. I find that most of my extract beer videos tend to take off. So if I post a video on extract brewing, that's what you guys seem to be wanting to watch, and that's what I'm going to start showing. Hopefully it'll be a bit better, more for you guys, and if I can get big enough, I can start supporting you guys and sending you equipment or products that will help you brew better. So guys, remember, this is an amateur brew channel. I have not been brewing for a long time. It's only a 4-year thing that I've been doing so far. We have gone through 2 years of COVID. If you've been watching my channel in the past, you know that I did a distillation on a Turbo 500 that I borrowed from my brother-in-law, and it was really good. It was actually fun to do, and I always wanted to get another reflux still for myself. Anyway, I did get a Olympic still, which is a pot still, and I had used that for a little while, and I decided that's it, I'm going to go try and find a reflux still. Luckily, I rang the brew shop and said, where can I get one? And they said they make one, which is Valley Hydroponics and Homebrew have actually, they manufacture their own product, which is here. Now they're local, they're in Traralgon. They sold this to me, I paid for it, so it's not a promotion on their behalf or anything like that, but I paid for this out of my own pocket. And I'm going to use it to create brew water for my brewing. I'm going to actually spend some time boiling the water and distilling it so I get the pure water from it. It'll still have all the minerals in it and everything else. It just won't have some of the chemicals that you don't want in your beer as you distill it and leaves it behind in the pot. So I'm looking forward to having a go at that, and I will film that and talk about it. This was manufactured here in Gippsland by a company in Sale. I don't know what the company was called, but the guy retired, and Valley Hydroponics and Homebrew bought the rights to this product, and they're now selling it locally in Traralgon. So if you want one, let me know, and I'll hook you up. It's not sponsored by them. I just feel that it's good to support locals. They are now moving to a factory and going to build it in a more productive way, and hopefully we'll get to access products like this a bit more. So that's another video coming up. As I said, this is a really nice beer. Like I said, try making it. It is really good. It is expensive. Probably costs you about 30 bucks to make, but it's worth doing. If you enjoy traveling videos, I do have a channel called Pierre's Adventures, and it's interesting. Yeah, I'm up in the ante on that one, trying to talk a lot more and be part of that video more. So if you guys are interested in traveling videos, check it out. I've got 220 subscribers in. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I want to get paid for those videos because I've got hundreds of videos on there that are making a lot of money for YouTube. Not me. I'm not making a thing. And I want to use that money to up this channel. That's why I'm doing it. So if you want to have a look at it, I'll put a link here. Check it out. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you've watched this right through and you liked the video, please press the like button. Please drop in a comment, say hello. I am answering every comment I can. Sometimes I get a lot, so I have to try and figure that out. And if you think it's worth watching more, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll get a message every time I pop a video up. As you know, if you're a YouTuber, you know. I would like to toast you guys with this beautiful beer and say thank you for being part of this channel and part of what I do. I'm back in. Oh, it's a gorgeous smell. And I'm ready to go. Cheers. We'll see you soon. Thanks.